I think I am the psychopath to stop here at the red signal. Good morning, guys. I hope you are all doing great in your life. Whew, it's very cold out here. It's like 8 a.m. in the morning. I think first I need to take coffee and my breakfast. And I can make some content. Okay, content to cook. Okay, okay. Oh, son, guys, this is not a joke. You are supposed to stop on red signal. I'm an idiot to stop on the red signal, guys. Because what I was seeing, the people will just ignore the red signal and jump over it, risking the lives of other people and also self. I'm not going to take that risk, but I'm an idiot to stop on the red signal. Yes, I can be a side. Look, many people coming from the wrong side. This is what exactly I'm pissed off, guys. No helmet, coming from wrong side. What are you gonna do? What are you trying to do? You are not even saving time, so and your time is not even that worth. Okay, I understand you might be doing something else. You are very hurry. So, but you can at least follow the traffic rules. That's the basic thing, I think. It's very rare that rickshaw stop in red light. It's very rare, very rare. I have never seen someone stopping for red signal. Like red signal doesn't exist. They are colorblind. They will see red as green and green as red. No, no green signal for them. Okay, first let me complete my breakfast. I hope something good. Okay, should I park the bike? Should park it here. Nath Brahma idli. You should try Nath Brahma idli once. It's affordable and it's tasty. So I had my breakfast. Now let's go back home. And I'm pretty sure I will get more and more content. Okay, let's go. I had my breakfast. Oh, sorry. I'm pretty sure you must be liking this view. Instead of taking U-turn, I think I should go take one long ride. So I was talking about the traffic rules. I think it's not about the traffic rules alone. It's about the civic sense. People in India lack civic sense. They just don't care that other people exist. There are some rules which are for sure their safety, for sure for their safety only. But no, they will definitely not follow. They don't even have common sense to follow the traffic rules and make sure that they are safe. Everyone around there are safe. No, if they are on road, you have to watch out, guys. They are not responsible for your safety. You have to watch out. You might be standing. You might be standing. Oh, sorry. You might be stopped on the red signal. That doesn't even matter. And you have some idiot will come and honk you continuously. That please get away, get away, get away. I need to go. I need to go. I'm not really sure where they need to go. What are you saying, guys? 2 3 minutes of your life. What are you gonna do with that time? There is nothing literally you can do. Your safety is important, not that 2 3 minutes you are saving by just jumping the red signal. This is not how it works. Now, yo, look at these idiots. It is a red signal for them, but they still have to. No, look, bus. He also joined them. Okay, let me make sure first it is actually yes. It is not green for them. It's dark parcel guy. He also joined to them. I'm weird, guys. I'm really pissed off. Look at that Didi. No helmet and yeah, obviously breaking the rules. I know he will also jump. Yes. No. Sorry. He's going right. Okay. Let me go. I was supposed to go the empty road, guys. Don't try it at home. Wow. Look at this, guys. Look at this. It's so beautiful. Sun. Look at the reflections. Is my recording on? Yes. Recording is also on. The mic is also on. Okay. Have you noticed one thing? I am not getting any red signal. I think my life is saying yes. Go ahead. Everything green for you. You can do it. Saudhan. Yashodip driving school. No helmet. Wrong side. No helmet. Wow. Okay. Oh, I thought it's Bolero. It's actually Toyota Glanza. Am I right? Toyota Glanza? Yes. It's Toyota Glanza. Okay, three, two, one. Sorry guys for driving like a maniac. But the road is empty. Okay, another signal. Why the timer is 00? I'm not reading. Okay, another signal for me. I am not sure what is happening today. Like every signal I got back there was green, and I hope that signal will also. Yes, that is green for me, guys. I not. I am sure that the people who are driving on the wrong side will not die at least till 80 or 90. But of course, they will eventually cause something that will harm another people. I'm not sure like why this idiots are doing this. But they can go on this right side. Yeah, this is not actually right side. This is the left side of the road. They can go instead of going this wrong side. Everywhere I go, I see people coming from wrong side. I see people jumping the red signal. I mean, for some apparent reason, people call the like whoever is stopped at red signal. People will call them as a psychopath. Even the person with cycle is following the traffic rules. They have more civic sense than other people's. Okay, let's go inside. Just make sure to like, share, subscribe to my channel. I hope you will like my content. This is my second video, so it's a judge accordingly. Another one, another one. Idiots. Everywhere I go, I see idiots on the road. There is absolutely no chance that I will not see them. If you are an Indian, you want to start a motovlogger, just take your camera, go on the road, and you have so much content, guys. People are there driving like maniac. People are there driving without helmet. People look at this car. What is he even trying to do? This is a red signal, guys. Why are you not stopping? I think I am the psychopath to stop here at the red signal, which indeed I am supposed to do. But why are you not stopping? This is a red signal. You are not even having your helmet. The person think this is the green signal. Okay, you are having your child with you. Mad person. Why are you risking his life? Okay, you are also going. Why the only this rickshaw? He is the only one stopped here. All the people are just going. The person is cylinder. Did he attach the cylinder to his bike? For some apparent reason that people doesn't follow the traffic rules. I have to get back. Oh, nice looking at see. Volvo XC60. It's time. It's 8:35. I think I have to go home now. I have office. Look at these maniacs. Triple seat jumping over the signal. Typical Indian people. I'm not judging them based on. Oh, blink it again. Let's be careful or idiot. You must have seen the what it, the beware of dogs in front of many houses. I think we should put beware of the idiot peoples. Beware of Indian peoples who are not following the traffic signal and not having the civic sense. You just need a common sense, guys. That's and that is for your own safety. It's not even like some idiot rules or something like that. It's for your own safety. It might cost your life or another person's life. You're not supposed to drive like a maniac, like a psychopath on the road. It's your responsibility, guys. At least for your own life. This is it, guys. I have to go home now. I have work to do. Thank you, guys.